The way you talk to yourself shapes your confidence, decisions, and success. Negative self-talk can hold you back, while positive self-talk empowers you to achieve your goals. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to improve your self-talk and unlock your full potential. Welcome to Path to You. Self-talk is the internal dialogue that influences your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Positive self-talk boosts confidence and motivation, while negative self-talk can limit your success. The good news? You can change it. Notice when you criticize yourself or doubt your abilities. Common patterns include all-or-nothing thinking, self-blame, and assuming the worst. Identifying these thoughts is key to replacing them. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering statements. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I am capable and I will find a way." Over time, these affirmations reshape your mindset. Treat yourself with the same kindness you'd show a friend. When you make a mistake, replace harsh criticism with encouragement. Self-compassion builds resilience and confidence. Your words shape your reality. Visualize yourself succeeding and use language that reinforces that vision. Instead of "I hope I succeed," say, "I am capable of succeeding." This shift boosts belief in your abilities. Improving your self-talk is a powerful step toward greater confidence and success. By replacing negative thoughts with positive, empowering words, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share in the comments, what positive affirmation will you use today?